whose time I think has come. Premium products and services are, I think, now what Indian consumers are looking for. But how do you really service that need? How do you understand what is premium? Premium is not just a higher price, but it's about how you make a consumer feel when they buy that product and service. So, for example, if I want to buy a handbag, for example, you can get a handbag, which is fairly utilitarian across various price points. Of course, at the top end are the luxury brands which sell at several lakhs. At the bottom end of the market is you can get it for a few hundred rupees as well. But it's about how do you feel when you carry it? What does it convey about you as a person, your personality? Where do you stand in the socio-economic sort of a construct? I think a brand versus a product which is just utilitarian really allows you to explore and express that. And I think as Indian founders start to build in the premium space with premium price products and services, they need to think a lot more about what do you do to make the consumer feel that deeper emotional connect, not just a utilitarian aspect of the product. A bag is meant to carry things from point A to point B safely. We all know that, we all understand that. But what gets a consumer to pay that much extra premium, from a few hundred rupees to a few lakhs, if you can afford it? It comes down to what that brand does for you. Does it make you feel that you've achieved something in life, therefore you can treat yourself to what may look like a little bit of an expensive purchase from, let's say, what you earn? But it's not just about indulgence. I think there's a bit of a hangover that we have in India, that if a product is very expensive, that necessarily means that it's an indulgence. It's not an indulgence. It's a way to express yourself, which if a brand is able to understand and communicate, then can charge a premium from the consumer.